I'm Tara Bajra, Head of Creative Operations at Asana. First, let's just address the elephant in the room. Creative production is hard. It's a tight balance to scope incoming requests against your resources and constraints. Plus, there are so many stakeholders involved. At Asana, we're a global team, so we need to create assets that resonate across regions. Our chats are tied to actual deliverables, so conversations and decisions are easy to find. There's just one place for us to go for everything we need. Here's a deeper look into how we use Asana for our creative production workflow. First, all creative requests start with an Asana form. This allows us to standardize our entry point and quickly collect all the information we need up front so that we can understand the full scope of any requests. These requests are automatically added to a project for us to review. This project has a bunch of rules which automatically notify the right people to make sure requests are scoped swiftly and nothing falls through the cracks. So, for example, we can set a rule in Asana that assigns video editing tasks directly to our editor. Once the work is assigned, we move it from our scoping section to our committed to section, and then the work is able to begin. Sometimes there are just too many requests at any one time for our team to take on. When that happens, we can easily leverage our external agency by just moving the task to a new section. Automations automatically tag the agency and gives them access to all the same scoping information we already collected from the form. And then our agency is able to easily provide a quote. As soon as the quote's approved, the agency tracks the work in the same Asana task that was created from the initial request form. There, they can collaborate directly with my team and any stakeholders. So instead of going back and forth on isolated email chains, they're working together and communicating in one central space. Asana organizes and automates our creative production so we can focus on the work that drives our business forward. Find out how Asana can streamline your creative team's work today.